What up, y'all? It's your girl Sim here. And of course, I got my apron on, so you know what time it is. I'm in the kitchen. I know you must be wondering about this hat. But yes, I went to the field to pick some banana and peanuts. So, guess what I'm cooking? All right. So, guys, what's on the menu today? What's on the menu? Do you want to guess? No, you're wrong. I am making three-man porridge. Yes, banana, peanut, and oatmeal. You know what? No more talking. Let's get to that. Okay, guys, so it's the three-man porridge. Easy peasy. So the peanuts, any peanuts you want to use, any peanuts, just blend it. All you have to do is blend it out very fine, just like I'm doing here. If you don't have one of those blender, go get one. They are good. All right, so in this now, I have regular water. I have some cinnamon leaf and also cinnamon stick. You can also use cinnamon powder. And now what I'm doing in this section here, this is the banana. So I'm blending it up with milk. You can use water or milk, whichever you choose. I know you must be wondering, why am I just blending these separately when I have a blender there? But when I can just put them all together. But I like to blend them out very fine, unless you like the little crunchy piece, just like I'm going to do with the oat right now. So the oat, I'm not going to blend it out all the way. I'm just going to barely blend it because I like to taste the porridge with like the pieces of oats in there. And I also use milk, as you can see there. As I say, you can use water. So I'm just kind of, as you can see, so I blend, I stop, because I still want that crunch, that, you know, the oat, the rough part of the oats to be in there. So I pour them all together, you know, mix it up. And yes, the three men are in and ready for the hot water. So let's go. All right, so here it's boiling up. Smell good. I have cinnamon, I have nutmeg, I have salt. What else? I have vanilla, almond extract, and whatever else you want to put in there. Mixed spice, you choose how spicy you want your porridge. Not spicy, but mix spice. All right, so here, you know, one of the tedious thing is to mix it. So you have to mix it until it's thick as this here. Because if you don't continuously to mix it, just prepare for some lumps in your porridge, and that's a no-no. So make sure that you mix all the way. Mix until it's thick as this, and then you can cover it and just allow it. Put the stove on low, not low, but about 3 or 4, and just allow it to boil. You see how thick this is, and just continue to mix it around. And if you don't like your porridge as thick as this, you can add a little milk or even water to it. It's just how thick you like your porridge. As you can see here, I like my porridge very thick, like thick. A watery porridge don't do it for me. So just allow it to boil for about at least 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. When you see it bubbling, just continue. I continue to open it and mix it. And this step, you can do it at the beginning. I do it at this point. I add some coconut milk into the porridge. Optional. If you can't do coconut milk, it's okay. But it does give it a nice little taste, just so you know. But you can add a little coconut milk. You can use a liquid version, or you can mix up the powder that turns into liquid anyway. And how I sweeten my porridge, I use condensed milk. I use a little sugar too. But if you want, it depends on how much you're cooking. You can use a whole can of condensed milk. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm using condensed milk and also about a spoon or so of sugar. But what you want to do when you put your condensed milk, taste it, because sometimes the milk is sweet enough. And if you think it needs more sugar, more sweetening, add some sugar. Add a spoon of sugar. And then again, taste it again. Remember to wash your spoon. And then if it want more sugar, add more sugar. If it need more sugar, add more sugar. and then mix it again. So you just don't want to pour a whole bunch of sugar in it and then it's too sweet. So you want to go step by step, step by step. That way you get the right taste that you're looking for. And don't forget to add salt at the beginning, because you need a little salt in your porridge, believe me. All right, so here is the finishing touch. You can be fancy like me here and just add a little cinnamon powder to the top just to give it that presentation. Ooh, nice and thick. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, leave your comment below. This porridge is delicious. Don't forget to share it with your friends. They might want to know how to cook a 3-man porridge. And don't forget to check out my other social media platform. Like, share, and subscribe. Good stuff. Remember, put your requests in. Your girl Sim will fulfill your requests. Take care. See you on the next video.